What's up, guys? Mobile gaming is steadily growing industry, and what seemed like the punchline of a bad joke just a few years ago nowadays looks real and serious. There are actual Twitch streamers that specialize in mobile titles. There are games that are designed specifically for touch control, and there are mobile versions of console games that successfully imitate the experience you would get when playing on a big machine. Obviously, your one of the meal smartphone is still limited in what it can do when it comes to gaming. Having extra hardware controls is still a must for most skill-based games, and you always need headroom in performance just to be sure you don't drop frames. ASUS is the leading company that relentlessly pushes out a dedicated gaming smartphone year after year, and now we have the ROG Phone 6 and ROG Phone 6 Pro, supercharged to the brim, equipped with shoulder buttons, and honestly having the best stereo speakers. At least on paper, the ROG phones are a mobile gamer's dream, but of course we have to put it to the test. We get 65-watt hypercharger brick in the box and a nice braided USB Type-C cable. Pre-orders are also bundled with the new AeroActive Cooler 6, which this year is not included with this phone. A smartphone that is targeted specifically at gamers will, of course, rock the best specs it can fit in its body. The ROG Phone 6 is not interested in being the exception to that rule. In fact, ASUS has once again went absolutely over the top when speccing out the ROG Phone 6 Pro. In our experience, we have some trouble to get the swipe controls to kick in reliably. Though assuming you can learn the skill, you can actually have 6 different things assigned to the shoulder buttons. Left and right swipes can be programmed to do different things, and button taps are a separate deal. There is no pairing required, you just attach the cooler to your phone. In addition to spinning up to keep the phone's temperature under control, its buttons are instantly recognized and unstable. You just need to program they do where on the screen they tap and how to behave. Thanks for watching.